This is David Marinak with ABC and the Oversea Network. Here are 7 ways or key points when communicating with your Chinese factory. Number 1, provide lots of direction. Here's what I want to know, here's what I want, here's when I want it done, etc. The Chinese want to be told what to do and a sense of assurance that they're on the right track. Number 2, test your suppliers. Ask them questions. Don't wait for them to ask you if what they're doing is correct. If you do, it'll be too late. Again, ask them direct questions about the info you've provided to make sure they understand. Listen when they do have questions and offer encouragement, positive encouragement when it's appropriate. I think this is key, and you'll get a lot better results when you're encouraging and not the American way of yelling or belittling. That never works. Now, if dealing in mainland China, show lots of compliments, again, when it's necessary. If you're dealing with Hong Kong factories, this really doesn't pertain that much, but the mainland Chinese love compliments. Now, in Chinese society, they like to refer to each other as brothers and sisters. Consider doing the same when you're dealing with Chinese, and you'll feel, or they'll feel more comfortable, and then they'll feel more comfortable with you. Take the time to learn some basic, and I mean basic Chinese, just hello, goodbye, thank you, those kind of things. And really, the most important thing is be respectful. The American way of yelling and belittling and demanding and pounding the table will only lead to just an absolute disaster. So I hope these 7 tips were helpful. Let us know how we can help in any way. Thanks.